Good morning, judges. I am Karanjot Singh of class 5th and a student of Bosco Public School.
Good morning, judges. I am Jasmine of class 5th and a student of SS Mota Singh, Delhi.
Today we are going to present a working model on water conservation. Now my co-partner Jasmine will continue.
Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. It is important because fresh, clean water is a limited resource as well as a costly one. Conservation of this natural resource is critical for the environment and our wallets.
Clean fresh water is a limited resource. Every person on earth needs water to survive. Without it, many of us will get sick and even result in death. While almost 70% of the earth is made up of water, and many parts of the world suffer from clean water shortage. Conversing water is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Now my co-partner Jasmine will continue.
We need water. Water grows food. It protects our ecosystem and wildlife. Less water usage means more saving. Water supply is already limited. Conserving water also saves energy.
Coming to our model that we have created. The purpose of creating this model on water conservation is to guide our generation that how much water is important and what are the ways to conserve water. Water can be conserved in many ways, especially rainwater. In this model, we have shown how can rainwater be conserved, and amazing thing that how rainwater can produce electricity.
Model, we have used cardboard, color sheets, glue, gutter, water turbine, button, LED lights, dynamo and artificial plant.
Now I will explain my model. At first the rainwater will fill this container and this pipe will go into various containers. This container will throw water into this turbine that will generate electricity, and the electricity will store into the storage batteries, and also the water we have used to generate electricity will go into storage tank for household usage, and the filter is used for house drinking purposes.
Are you excited to see this how it works?
So let's see how it works. We have some more water. You can see the turbine is moving. So let's see if it's actually making electricity or not. So you can see the lights is on.
Now I am going to conclude my rainwater harvesting can be an effective solution of areas where the availability of water is very low. By making use of available rainwater, this will also help to conserve the valuable fresh rainwater.
Examples: in the state of Tamil Nadu, rainwater harvesting was made compulsory for every building to avoid groundwater depletion. In Rajasthan, rainwater harvesting has traditionally been practiced by the people of Thar Desert. At present in Pune, Maharashtra, rainwater harvesting is compulsory for any new society to be registered. Save water, save life.
Now you understand?
Save water, save life.